If you don't like danger but still want to explore, then check out the tardigrade. It's been to space and back. These tiny animals, also called water bears, are smaller than a grain of sand, but they're tougher than just about anything on Earth. Tardigrades can survive blazing heat, freezing cold, crushing pressure, and even radiation that would wipe out most other life. And get this, scientists actually sent them to space in 2007. Out there with no spacesuit, no oxygen, and all that deadly radiation, the tardigrades came back home alive. They just curled up, dried out, and waited for things to get better. So next time you dream about exploring the stars, remember, nature's already got a tiny astronaut ready for anything. Would you survive space without a suit?